Hey, what's up everybody? Down at the Bill Cole Honda Nissan right here in Ashland, Kentucky. Cletus T. Judd bringing you one of the hottest vehicles that's on the lot here at Bill Cole. I'm telling you right now, the Honda Ridgeline, they don't have any new ones in yet, but they're on their way. They're in transit, say they should be here in about a month and a half. So, but they do have two used ones down here, an 18 and a 19. And I'm gonna tell you, one of the sales guys just said in the wintertime, you will never be able to beat a Honda Ridgeline. He said they'd climb a pine tree. And you know, with the weather like it is in our part of the country, it'd be great to have one of these bad boys. I know that the new Ridgeline's coming to all new design, brand new body style, and I'm sure knowing Honda, they'll have all the tricked out deals. As long as it's got a great stereo is all I'm looking for. But come on down, Bill Cole Honda Nissan right here in Ashland. Only two Ridgelines left, then the new ones are on their way. So you better get out here fast, because when they hit the lot, they gone. Just like I am. Y'all have a great day. Bill Cole Honda Nissan, Honda Ridgelines, here they are. See you.